Callie is not afraid of anything. Now she's moving because Daddy's walking up to the door. We are getting a big ding on our window fixed today, and the guy just pulled it. I can see it there in the window now. I guess Bob had to mark it or something. But we'll see if she goes back up and watches what they're doing. I have a feeling she will. So I'll come back on when she gets up there. Yeah. Oops, there she goes. She's probably going to try to remove that little marker on the window. It's on the inside. Callie. I swear this kid is ADHD. It is like almost 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and she still has not slept all day long. It's so weird. No. See, she's trying to get it off. Callie, no, honey. What? She says, what? I'm sure as soon as the guy starts touching that window, she's going to be right there. There he goes. There he goes. What's he doing, Callie? I bet that's probably cracking the guy up. Because how many times do cats jump up in a window to watch what you're doing, you know, I mean, and stay there once you've noticed them? I mean, a dog, yeah, a dog would probably be barking. But a cat comes up and watches what you're doing? She must think she's going to help. What's he doing, Callie? Trying to look down and see what he's getting at. But you can see her bed there, but she hardly ever lays in it now. She's always awake, except when we go to bed at night. Then she comes and she gets in between us and sleeps all night.
Callie. No, honey.
Our other cats would have not stuck around. They would have run to the back of the motorhome into the closet. Not this kid. A lot of people have been asking if we're going to get another cat.
Sir, yeah. Where can I find the VIN number? Oh, the VIN number. Okay, I have it somewhere.
Hold on. Okay, she's back. The guy came to the door, needed our VIN number, and of course she ran down to the door to see him. Now she's back up in the window to see what's going on. Anyway, I was saying, you know, our initial plan had been to get 2 kittens, being our 2 cats who travel with us for so long. You know, we're over the rainbow somewhere. But when we went to get kittens, right before Christmas, we couldn't find any, but we fell in love with this kid. And she kind of chose us, too. So, we ended up bringing her home. Well, it has been so many years since we have had a young one as young as her. And oh my God, we forgot how active they can be, you know, into everything. So I think we're going to hold off getting another cat until she's gotten out of this stage. What's the matter? Go over and see what's going on. What's going on out there? What's going on out there? Oh, look it over here. Looky. Oh, the man was up there. Now he's gone. Callie, back. Bob's trying to come in the door, so she's sitting right there. So curious. And she's back. We've added to her name. We started calling her like Callie Coo. Now it's Callie Cuckoo. No, don't take that down. Oh, what'd he do? Did he throw something at you? Definitely, I could say not used to having cats watch. Oh, There it goes again. Well, that's nice of him to entertain her. I wonder, is he going to turn on some kind of a machinery or?
It's going right now.
Oh, it's going now. Okay. I thought it would make noise, and that would really interest her. Oop, oop, did it win again? No, I got the other guy. Well, the other guy's not up against the window. He's. Whoop! There it is again. And what's a good thing you're supervising them? They don't want you touching that. Oh, there she goes, sitting on her hind legs. Oops, it's stuck on the thing. The napkin. She's trying to get it off. There we go. There we go. Maybe nobody else thinks this is entertaining or cute, but we do. I mean, see, how can you go without having a pet? Hey, 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 no. She looks at me like, what? Hey, hey.
Callie.
Callie. Oh, what did she say to Daddy? I'm going to turn this off. But I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this. This is what we go through every day with her. Slightest little thing. I mean, I stash more things in my pockets and under pillows as she finds them, I mean, little things. You wonder where the heck you find that at. Oh, you must be coming up. Here she goes.
No, the bird.
Oh, it's a bird. Is there a bird out there? Anyway, this will do it for the first supervisory job that Miss Callie, there she goes, has had. Bye.